We're back working on the Z. We've got a pretty chill day today. Just doing some little things, but they're fun things. Let me show you guys what's going on. For the first order of business, got the new Z Emblem. It was right in the front right there. Made the holes already where it mounts. You just take off that little tape on the back, slip it on, looking clean. That is it. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's the new front bumper as well. Finally arrived, courtesy of KBD, and it looks so freaking good. I am stoked. The side skirts are coming in later this week. Finish off the aggressive look, because it kind of looks ridiculous without the side skirts right now with how wide this front bumper is. Since owning my 350Z, and the longer I own this car, I've become a Nissan and Nismo junkie. So I found this company called Lucky Labo recently, and they have awesome stuff. So they deal a lot with like old Nismo stuff, especially for like S14s and like GTRs, like the Skylines. They have mostly like old Nismo stuff that's super expensive and very rare, but they also have some simple things like these. They're vent cup holders, and I really like them. And the Z doesn't come with cup holders. Useful, cheap addition for the car. So let's throw these in too. I'm a sucker for the details, and this is just such a cool 90s piece to have in the car. So these, apparently you can actually see them in the old anime Initial D. They mount right there, so it'll look like that. If you want to have your AC blowing through, you can actually just flip that up. Boom, AC is coming through now. Flip it down, cup holder. I really didn't even realize how much more slanted these 300ZX vents are than say like an S13 or an R32. So they're kind of hanging on barely. They look good, but also even when you flip these up, I can't really turn it very far. So I don't know if I'm gonna end up using them here. I might put them on the doors, but there's no door cards right now, so I can't try them there yet. But they look really cool, so it really comes down to the details. So we've got cherry blossom shift knob, HKS shift boots on both. Need to seal that down somehow to there. Even the lights in here are purple. And here is, I just threw on this mirror. Super easy, it just clips on the original mirror. It's one of the infinity mirrors. And it has a quote from Evangelion. Ooh, you actually can't see it super great right now because of the sun. But it says, God is in his heaven, all's right with the world. Quote from Evangelion with the Nerve logo in the middle. Super cool. I've been working on this car for months now, and it's so cool to see things finally coming together. It starts up, it sounds healthy. There's a couple little maintenance things that we need to figure out. The fuel is being a little bit weird. When you accelerate, it goes super rich, and then when you let off the throttle, it goes lean. So we're gonna work out that issue. But like the wrap is getting there, the interior is coming together. We're swapping out that other door here soon. The little JDM style pieces are coming in, and the 90s vibes are flowing through the veins. Then right now, I'm taping this off to paint the trim. Just make this all black again. Got the painting done for the trim. It's definitely not perfect, but it looks so much better than it did before. So there's that one, finished up. Just don't get too close. Let's take off the tape for this one. Seriously, so much better. Gotta take this bumper home as well. You have to sand the whole thing before you are able to wrap it. So I'm gonna work on that in the next few days, get it all sanded, and I'm actually gonna have my friend wrap it because this is above my skill level. So I'm just so excited to drive the 300. It's been so long. It's been close to 3 months probably now. I'm so excited for how it's turning out, and thank you guys for joining me along the way. Quincy's been an insanely massive help on the car. He is a god with the 300ZX engine. Like, he'll see a bolt on the ground and know exactly where it goes. Crazy. Me though, I'm very excited to drive a faster car, but it's a lot more visual for me. I'm an artist myself, so I'm excited to do the artistic things on it, because I think cars are an extension of ourselves, and it's fun to be able to express ourselves in different ways. Well guys, this was just a fun little one because I was just really excited for some of these little parts. But the car's coming along, and I want to thank you guys for joining me along the journey. There's tons of stuff ahead of us, and I'm excited to show you guys the new merch that's coming up as well. We've got some cool stickers. We're working on getting the license plate frames back as well, the Oni teeth. Go check out my Instagram if you haven't seen them. We've got tons of cars that are repping them. You guys have been asking them for a long time, and they're finally getting made again. So be ready, those are so sick. Pulled her back into the garage, wrapping up for the day. Guys, I am beyond excited to drive this car. Oh, it's been so many hours working on it, and it's finally paying off. Anyways, thanks for joining me on today's short little adventure. But thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.